Right, I got this fan now all ready for the road. It's been past MOT. I changed a few bits on it. Had seized linkages for windscreen wipers, and washer fluid pump was seized up. Serviced the brakes, and I noticed that there was a leak on fuel filter housing. So got new fuel filter housing as well, and got it all sorted out, past the MOT, and literally driving back from MOT test center, engine light came on. So I'm gonna try to start engine and see how is it going to come on again. And I got my test kit here, and we'll see what codes are showing. Right. Yeah. Check engine. Engine light is on. And you see it's saying check engine. So I'm gonna connect OBD reader and see what is the issue. Don't know if it's anything with fuel or firing or anything like that. So OBD will be behind there. That's where the fuses are. Oh. It's a nice piece of kit. It's not very expensive, this reader. I got a few years back. I think it was something like £70 or something, and it's very good because it does work. Let's plug it in. Which way that goes? That way. It's right underneath the fuse board. It looks almost like an old-fashioned SCART lead connector. Right, so that's connected. It's initializing. I need to put contact on. Turn the lights off so you don't. Right, so that's on. So OBD diagnose. Checking the engine systems. Okay, that one is okay. DTC is in DCCU 1. Mill status on. Okay. Read codes. Fuel temperature sensor. Ahaha. P0180. Fuel temperature sensor. Current. That sensor is actually on top of the fuel filter housing. Right, it's completely covered with diesel. So this one leaks. Right, I might need to put light on. Right, lights on. Let me disconnect. This is connecting. Oh god, look at that. It's full of diesel. flicking diesel from the connector. That's probably shortening, all the diesel is shortening connection on it. So it's all diesel there. If I dry that out just to test it, because if I dry it and I manage to reset the code, and that will be it, obviously, until it gets flooded again. How much fuel is in it? Oh my god, it's all leaking down there. It's freaking full of diesel. Alright, let's try it now. Connected. So, God, I'm all covered. So, if I go, where does he go? Back, erase codes. Are you sure? Okay. Ignition is on. Press OK. Information. Okay, it's cleared. It is cleared. So, read the codes now. No fault codes. Okay, let's get out of this. So if I start, right, the engine light, it's not coming on. Let's double check. Yeah, it's coming. It's leaking. Okay, I think I'll have to go back with this to supply of that fuel filter housing and request replacement. Obviously, if I keep running engine like this, that connector will get flooded again, and then it will show fault on engine as it did before, because obviously when I replaced fuel filter housing, it was all good for X amount of miles until I took it to MOT test center and they tested the vehicle, and it was all fine, and it was literally on my way home that ECU fault came on. So I would imagine it would probably take maybe half an hour running of the engine for engine management light to come back on. So I'll turn the engine off and contact supplier for that filter housing. Right, disconnect this. Handy piece of kit. I think anyone who's got car, van or multiple vehicles should have one. It does help. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll keep you updated. I'll post another video with resolution to this malarkey. If you enjoy the videos, thumbs up. If you would like more, subscribe. If you got any requests, please mention in comments below. Thank you very much and all the best.